If you want to update software of JBL Live Beam free, then you can for sure do this. First of all, you will have to open JBL headphones application and go for others. And right now, you will have to keep scrolling until you find support. So click here, and then you will have to go for the software, and you can update software of your earbuds and of your charging case. So you will have to be connected into the Wi-Fi and mobile data. And here we can find the information, what it does. So the new version 4.1.0, we got some changes. It actually added the quick ways to wake up the screen and the JBL headphones app, added smart tag to the smart case feature shortcuts, and improved the stability and performance improvement. And for the smart charging case, it's just the same. And yeah, you will have to just click here to update, and then you will have to wait until this transferring and the remaining time will be finished. And as you can see, we have to make sure that our earbuds are close to the mobile device and we don't have to put them to the charging case. And that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.